Hey guys, it's been a while. Let's check out the craziest cars I saw in LA this week. Okay, you've probably seen on the news, we got torrential rainstorms here in LA, and there was a lot of damage. Actually, it was really, really sad, particularly for this Prius. I mean, I love to make fun of a Prius, but that's kind of sad, right? I mean, especially with the Bernie sticker, it makes it all kind of tragic. Good news is I heard nobody was hurt, except for this guy's ego. That's PCH in Malibu, man. That's front row parking too. It's a bummer. Also damaged was this other guy's ego when he tried to get through this dirt road, which I believe is his driveway, here in Topanga after the storms. Man, that's a bummer. I hope you get out safely. Okay. Speaking of bummers, this guy wants to warn us that Jesus is coming. So we put it on the back of his truck, but he also wanted to say time's up, which I don't know if you guys want to tell him, if I should tell him. That's not exactly what that movement's about, but hey, I mean, you've been warned. We both have. Also spotted this week in Topanga was this glorious Unimog. I don't always put video on top of these videos, but I have to show you the details of this car. So I don't know if you guys have seen a Unimog before, but during this whole van life movement, they've become really, really popular because basically they can go anywhere. And I spotted this one in Topanga Canyon just yesterday. Ooh, it's pretty. Actually, I was like, please, can we have that apocalypse? Because I kind of want to drive this car. There it is. And then finally, for our viewer submission, there is this D-bag that parked. I mean, is it just me or is this the worst parking you've ever seen in your life? Some jackass in Connecticut decided that this is how he would park his Nissan Frontier. There almost aren't words. That's truly extraordinary. I kind of hope he was drunk. Anyway, I'm Motorhead Mama. If you guys see great stuff in your neighborhood, please send it on in. I'll feature you next time. Thanks so much for watching and subscribe if you can.